Hello Monster Jam fans and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today I'm going to review the brand new Smash Squad 5-pack for 2020 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another Hot Wheels review. Lately, these have been more of what I'm making because there has been more Hot Wheels releases than new Spin Master stuff coming out. I will have new Spin Master stuff in the next coming weeks. For right now, we are working with Hot Wheels content. I have not done a lot of Hot Wheels stuff, if any, in a long time besides my previous Hot Wheels video, which was the WWE 8 through 10. So the Braun Strowman, Sasha Banks, and the Triple H truck. Those are the Walmart WWE trucks from Canada. And now today we just got this brand new pack. It was announced by one of my friends, Mike Fan, who posted about it. And then I actually went to Target and I found it at one of my Target stores and I picked it up for a review. It includes this exclusive Motosaurus, which actually, honestly, is one of my favorite designs they've done so far. And then it also includes Psychedelic, Hot Wheels Racing 3, the Category 5, and the V8 Bomber. You can see right there, new for 2020. The only truck that has not been released yet, especially with this paint scheme, is the exclusive truck, which is Motosaurus. Hot Wheels only releases one exclusive truck per 5-pack. That's how it's usually been with them. And you can see here's the truck logos. And then we also have the side art, which is the same on both sides, V8 Bomber and the Motosaurus. And then on the back, we have the stats for each truck. So I'll let you guys pause the video if you guys want to read them. There's the Motosaurus with the special paint job. There's the rest of them, and you can see the little motto or whatever you want to call that there for the actual box. So I'm going to open this thing up and we're going to take a look at it. But before I do that, I also want to do a quick small review on another 2020 thing, because if I make a video on it by itself, it won't do well. So I think that if I do it in this video, it will get a little more publicity in a sense. So here is the brand new 2020 2-pack with the Motosaurus with another paint job and Megarex, which is a re-release from last year. This is the new for 2020 Motosaurus. And this is case A of the Demolition Doubles for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. All repeats, including Megarex, plus one new Motosaurus paint job. That's the only new thing about these trucks. So here we go. The first ever double pack for the 2020 season of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And again, I'm only doing this because it has a Motosaurus inside, and I really want this Motosaurus to be part of this review. The quick little thing about Motosaurus, you can see it has this interesting looking pearlescent kind of paint job that some shells usually have. I've noticed it's kind of like a seashell kind of thing. I'm not sure exactly what it's supposed to be colored after, but you can see that's kind of how it is. It also has a matte clear coat on it. It's the first Motosaurus with a matte clear coat. And it has green for the insert, which includes these rubbery spines, the head here, and you can see the color. Yellow chassis, orange roll cage, and green rims for the Motosaurus. So that's the third Motosaurus before this brand new 5-pack one. In 2019, we also had, or last season I should say, because it's still 2019, we had two other Motosaurus trucks, which honestly were not my favorite. My current and only favorite Motosaurus is the 5-pack one. So I'm going to open it up and we'll take a look at the fourth one in this Motosaurus series. So here is the complete pack out of the box. You can see this is the Motosaurus with this charcoal chrome black and gray paint job. Absolutely one of my favorite designs of their Hot Wheels Monster Truck series that they've done so far. Also my favorite design from Motosaurus. Even though Motosaurus is not something that I like that they've done, it's just really odd looking, honestly, when they proportioned it into a monster truck form. It is the best Motosaurus that they have made yet. And again, you probably know if you watch my channel for a long time that I enjoy charcoal, chrome, or black and white paint jobs like this. So this is especially something I like about the designs. Hopefully they do some of these designs like the Overcast series from Spin Master Monster Jam, where they do the black and white graphics. It would look really cool on some of these trucks that also were included in this pack. But this is the exclusive truck. We will look more at it in just a moment. I want to show you guys the repeat trucks, which also came in this pack. Now I have double of. You can see this is Category 5. This was released in 2019. And I believe in the early stages of 2018 when they first released Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And you can see the Category 5, it has a split paint job with a obviously a hurricane, or a tornado I should say, and it's kind of ripping away at this landscape. It's taking up houses, cars, this little tractor, and the cow here on this side. So Category 5, based off a Category 5 storm, which is the most extreme storm you can get caught in, and that is that one there. We also have the very well-known V8 Bomber, which runs on the real-life Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live tour. This is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks that they've ever made, and currently still stands as one of my favorites. But I do have a second one of these now with the V8 Bomber. Hot Wheels Racing number 3, pretty plain design, but here it is. Some people do like this one though, and I will respect their opinion for it. So there is Hot Wheels Racing number 3. And the Psychedelic, another interesting truck, not one that I dislike. I actually really do like this one. The paint job is really cool. It has this kind of universal space color for a paint job. You can see it. It's hard to get in lighting, but or lighting like this, but you can see it has glitter in a dark, dark navy blue color. So it's like a night sky with this psychedelic paint job. So there is that. And then we have the 5-pack exclusive truck. I will give a better look at the graphics. So you can see there, the black Hot Wheels logos as well, a bunch of blacked out Hot Wheels logos. And then you got the top here in the middle with these metallic, glittery, gray charcoal spines. A Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo on the tail. And the other side has a Hot Wheels logo. The one thing I really dislike about this truck is that they cut off the Hot Wheels logo on both sides. So the Hot Wheels almost made it fully on this one, but the H is cut off, and then it just says Hot Wheel on this side without the S. The head here, you can see it with the metallic as well of the Motosaurus, dinosaur, whatever this is supposed to be. I think it's a Stegosaurus based off of, but I could be wrong. And then we have this side with the Monster Trucks logo on both sides as well, and charcoal chrome rims for that. And then we have a black roll cage chrome chassis. And here are all the Motosaurus trucks currently up to the release date of this pack. You can see we have the first ever one, which was the blue with the brown spots with the red spikes and yellow roll cage and teal blue rims. We also had the orange one with the flames on the side, orange paint job, green spines, green roll cage, and orange rims. Now we have the 2-pack one from 2020's line, and you can see it has that interesting color with green spines, yellow chassis, orange roll cage, lime green rims. And now we have my favorite and the cleanest one, I have to say, with the charcoal gray with the Hot Wheels logo design with these matching spines to the body. So that has been the 5-pack review for the brand new Smash Squad 5-pack. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys would buy this 5-pack if you guys saw it in the stores just for this Motosaurus, or maybe you're missing a few of these trucks. I want to hear your guys' opinions about the 5-pack and how Hot Wheels does it. So please let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Random Moss, Jim OCD, signing out.